Hey, this is Joe, and in this video I will show you how I make macaron templates. In this demo, we are not using any special programs. All you need is internet access and to use a browser to search the internet. We're going to be using Google today. So you can look for any image that you want, but today I'm going to show you how to look for a star. So I'm going to type in star and then use the word clip art. And then you're going to hit enter, and then all these stars will show up, and then you get to select which one you think would best suit your needs. Now if you look, this one here is a pointy end and this one here has a rounded end. The rounded edges are better for piping macarons. You can scroll around and look for stars that you want, but I like that one. So I'm going to select that one, and then you get a subcategory. You look for any other ones that might suit your needs better, but I like what I have here. So we're going to go down to save image as, then it's going to prompt you to save it. I like to save mine in my desktop. So you look at desktop here, make sure I'm saving it in the right place. And then I'll go down and I'm going to change the name to something that I can remember. So I'm going to use star, as you can see. And then it will save it onto my desktop. Now that it's saved, we're going to minimize this screen, and you can see that it is now saved on the desktop as star. So step one is now done. We have our image. Step two is to go back onto the internet browser, and then we're going to look for something to put that image on so that we can print it out. So I like to go to use Avery template. They're free. So you're going to type in Avery for labels, and then you find a website, Avery template, you click on it. And then what you do is you then go up to the search bar, and I like to use the name badge template because you get 8 per sheet, and I like that size. So I want to go in to find named badges, and then I specifically look for the quantity of 8 per sheet. So I'm going to scroll down, and I'm going to select only 8 per sheet. And then this way it'll eliminate all the ones that I don't want. Now you could use any of these templates because it's 8 per sheet, so they're all the same. It doesn't matter what one you get because you're going to be printing it on your own paper. You don't have that paper. You could use these programs here, but I don't have them on my computer. So I'm going to create my own template on their site. So what you have to do is you have to log in, and then once you log in, it will take you, and then it will open up your now it opened up the 2 options I have for the template that I selected. Doesn't matter which one you pick. I just chose to pick this one. I like to use my templates in a vertical orientation instead of a horizontal. A star really doesn't matter because it's kind of a round asymmetrical object, so it doesn't matter which one you use. But now if you look here, you can choose to do your template as individual cells or just repeat that one image on all 8 cells. So make sure you select entire, and then you get to make one addition and input your image, and then it'll automatically go to those 8 cells. So now you're going to input your image, and then because we saved it on a desktop, it's easy to find. You select it, and then it pops in. Now you get to scale it to what size you want. Now that frame that you're in is just for 1/8 of that sheet. So you got to, it's not for the whole sheet, it's just for that one cell. So you get to center it and make the star as large or as small as you want. It's basically up to your preference. I try to fill out the block as much as possible. And then as you can see over on the right, you can see there's just 8 there. So now you're done. I mean, you just created your template. Simple. Everything's evenly spaced. It's all the same size. The next step is to print it. So you want to export it. You go down here to the green button, click on it, and it will export it as a PDF. It'll be downloaded as a PDF. I do not save it at this point. I do it as a PDF, and then once it opens up, there you have your template. Simple. Now the object is to print it, and then if you want to save it, you save it on your computer, but just go over to print, and you want to make sure your print settings are set at 100%. You want to make sure you print the whole page, otherwise your images will be smaller. So once you print it, you're done. Congratulations. I hope you liked this video, and I plan on making more, so keep a lookout. Like and subscribe if you want. Thanks. Bye.